This is the Olight Imini 2. This is the most versatile flashlight I own. Whether you're building a keychain EDC kit, small EDC bag, or a complete backpack, there is a place for the Olight Imini 2. Few EDC items are that flexible. This light is USB Type-A rechargeable. There is a charging light that remains on until charging is complete. The ease of operation could not be any simpler. Just pull the light from the magnetic cradle and the light is on. Look how the single light illuminates a room. I have secured it to the door frame with its magnetic base. What more do you need? Do you run tournaments for up to 128 players or teams? Try a free trial of Bailey's Sports Brackets. Visit tournamentboss.com to get a free trial now. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.